Here's how to make easy sheet pan shrimp scampi. Quick, flavorful, and perfect for dinner.
Start with asparagus and cherry tomatoes on a sheet pan. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, then roast at 400 degrees for 8 minutes.
This gives the veggies a head start while we prep the shrimp.
Toss shrimp with olive oil, garlic, lemon zest, paprika, and red pepper flakes.
After 8 minutes, add the shrimp to the pan. Scatter lemon slices and dot with butter.
Roast for another 8 to 10 minutes until the shrimp turn pink and tender.
Finish with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice.
Serve hot with pasta, rice, or crusty bread to soak up that buttery garlic sauce.